The cards left for the pro-Duterte senators there is to delay the process at the Senate. Hindi kaya magamit itong desisyon ng Supreme Court to delay the process. Ano kaya ang pananaw ng mga abogado rito?
Itong recent decision po ng Supreme Court, no, just 3 days or 2 days ago, ito po ay hindi related sa impeachment court sa impeachment case this year. This is in relation to the impeachment case nung 19th Congress, kung saan ang Senate President, si Chis Escudero, acting as presiding justice, hindi niya create ang impeachment court. So, merong isang taxpayer, ordinary citizen, na nag-file na tinatawag na mandamus to compel the Senate President to convene the impeachment court. At kalalabas lang, imagine, after 1 year, lumabas ang decision ng Supreme Court the other day to say, ang forthwith, hindi naman, ang interpretation niyan ay hindi naman immediate. It depends, it can be long or short. Yun ang interpretation nila, subject to the discretion of the Senate. Ang maganda, naunahan na ni Senate President Tito Sen, no? When his consistent position last year and this year is, I will do it immediately the day after. Meron na nga tayong nababalitaan na MWF, no? Monday, Wednesday, and Friday so that they can do their other business starting at 3 o'clock. Pero kung tignan po natin yung Senate rules on impeachment, unless palitan nila yung Senate rules o i-amend, nakalagay po doon every day. Every day except weekends and holidays. Pag every day na yan, sana matapos na yan, no? Kasi maraming ang important issues na tatalakayan. So, I see that, to your question, Philip, merong pending ngayon, tatlong petition sa Supreme Court filed. Instead of filing her answer in the Committee on Justice, VP Sara's lawyers filed a petition in the Supreme Court. Sabi nila, violation of due process. Mutan academic na yon. Kasi tapos na yung hearing sa Committee on Justice. Ang titignan po natin, baka insurance nila ito, sinama nila sa petition ang Senate President na wala namang kamalay-malay sa due process sa House. They included as respondent the Senate President. So pending yun. As regards the Senate President, baka na naman sabihin, pag kinonvene na yung court, may pending petition pa, no? Miski namutan ng academic, ang issue on the Committee on Justice, kasi tapos na, meron pa rin issue against the Senate, kasi respondent ang Senate President. Alam mo, kaming mga lawyers, we can be creative. We can be creative. Yung pwedeng, miski na hindi pwedeng ilulusot pa rin. Ang tawag dyan is unreasonable delay. Baka naman, i-interpret na naman ng Supreme Court. Anong ibig sabihin ng unreasonable delay sa mga ganyan ng issue? Philip, no?